Hello, scholars. So I wanted to show you there is a way to conduct an Anderson-Darling test of normality in JASP. But first, let's talk about the difference between that test and the Shapiro-Wilk test. The Shapiro-Wilk test is well suited to small sample sizes, and it is based on the normal distribution. But an Anderson-Darling test can handle other distributions like a Weibull distribution. You just need to know that's not a normal distribution. Not all tests assume a normal distribution, okay? And an Anderson-Darling test is more sensitive to changes and deviations in the tails, okay? And it can handle bigger sample sizes. So there might be times you prefer a different normality test. So I'm going to show you how to add that in JASP. Okay, so most of you, when you have your data and you go to your analyses, you just have these. We have to add a distributions. So you're going to go to the plus sign and you're going to click plus and this pop-out comes out and you want to scroll down and add distributions. It's here somewhere, right here. Add distributions, so check it. Okay, and then just click off. Now see it's up here. Okay, so now just like everything else, I can click distributions. Okay, and I'm going to check normal from my drop down. Okay, now I'm going to get stuff that shows up over here. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is add my variable that I want to test here. So it's under generate and display data. Okay, and in this case, we are testing is this aptitude? Yep, aptitude. Okay, so we're testing aptitude. So I'm going to find my variable over here on the left, and I'm going to move it here. Okay. Now the next thing I need to do is select my test. So I'm going to find that under Assess Fit on the left. And right here, I can select my Anderson-Darling test. Okay. Now I will get an overview of my descriptive statistics like always. And here's my Anderson-Darling test. So my statistic A equals 0.292, P equals 0.943. Now, if you remember, P, if it is greater than 0.05, I fail to reject the null. The null hypothesis states that everything's normal. In my case, I failed to reject the null. So this data is normally distributed. Okay. If P was less than 0.05, I would reject the null and the data would be not normally distributed. So I fail to reject the null. My data is normal. The null hypothesis states the data is normal. I fail to reject the null. So see how I write this in APA? Right here. Okay, so copy and paste your fit assessment and put it into your document. Provide the results in APA and tell us what that means. Thank you.